Yes, another of me doing an unboxing mail call box break. I realized that GameStop sells sports trading cards. So, of course, impulse shit. Let's see what we got. I got a few, mostly football. Um, yeah. I think I did one wrestling, some football. What I like is they don't send USPS, they send UPS. Oh, they did go FedEx. Okay, FedEx, that's what they did. All right, here we go. GameStop. We got a packing slip. We have some sleeves. Packs of sleeves. I did get one of those. And then we got some random, what do we got? We got a football. So they're all football. Okay. Let's do the Chronicles. All right, let's start with these. What the hell? I am too tired. I'm not even gonna fight with it. It's just easier right here. We're starting off with a Peyton Manning score card. Okay. Not bad. Devontae Williams. Treylon Burks, never heard. Barry Sanders. They always do these upside down. Kenneth Walker, Eric Dickinson. Who did he play for? Seattle. Joe Booza. We dropped Joey. Let's pick Joey up. Okay, back to it. This is kind of cool. It gives the team, it gives the position and their uniform number. I like how they do this. Raheem Mostert, Lane Johnson. See, I try not to spoil the cards. I see another Shaquan Barkley. All right. Denzel Ward. I see the red card. I'm trying not to peek. Carbonet. Ooh, there's a rookie too. Drew Sanders. Drew. I don't know why I said Dew. Billingsley, rookie. Dontavian. There we go. Dontavian. Jamar Gibbs. Oh, we got a few red ones. Laremy Tunsil. Don't know who he is. Josh Jacobs and Drew Sanders. All right, what we got? We got Sack Attack for Hassan Reddick. That's an interesting card. Dion, Hall of Fame. Hassan Reddick. That's a cool kind of, not parallel, but other card. Who we got? Micah Parsons. But let's look at that Dion card. First ball. All right, let's get back to this. Huddled up. The Chiefs. Spinning this around. Potential instead of pro. Okay, that's kind of a cool card. Who we got here? What we got? We got CJ Stroud. Holy shit! So technically his senior year of college. Another sack attack for Alex Highsmith. Josh Downs. Celebration. Kyler Murray. And a Quinton Johnston. Didn't we already have him before? But this is an awesome rookie card. Look at that. Okay. So that was pack 1 of the Score cards. Let's go to pack 2. Can I get it? I got it. Starting off with Jair Alexander, Chris Olave, Pittman Jr., Tyrann Mathieu, bam, Nick Bosa, Higbee, Palmer, Patrick Mahomes, Dexter Lawrence. Let's see, Dexter Lawrence Taylor, that'd be funny. Whoop, spin it around, spin it around. We got Zach Wilson. Tua, whatever his name is. Jonathan Allen, alright. Commanders. Bryce Force Wheaton. He plays for the Giants, but that's a rookie. That's his West Virginia uniform. So that's kind of cool. Chase Brown. I don't think I've ever seen a football player or even a baseball player on a pro card wearing his minor league college jersey. Michael Mayer. There's a lot of rookie cards in here. So Rashee Rice. We'll get to Toa. We see Toa. Brett Favre on the red. Toa on the red. Tua. I'm not trying to do it deliberately. I really don't know how to pronounce that guy's name. Celebration for Danielle Hunter on the red. Jamar Gibbs. Deuce Vaughn. Alright. What else we got? We got another sack attack. I'm not liking the way they put the names on here. Khalil Mack. What we got? We got Peyton Manning this time on the first ball. Josh Allen celebration. Respecting the fans. We got a Buffalo Bill huddle. Zay Flowers from Boston. Potential. Another celebration. Jalen Hurts. We're looking at Lou Willis. A celebration for the Cowboys. Kersey. What is this? What is this? What is this? You could win tickets to the Super Bowl. This was last year, so I'm really not stressing on this. That would have been cool if somebody had a kid enter the card. You know, your kid to go to the Super Bowl and the kid interviews a player. All right. That was the score packs. I forget which one these are. I think these are Prestige. Prestige, yeah. Look at, you can tell these already. These are pretty. Look how pretty those are. All right, scores. Bam. Prestige are next. We're looking at Joe Burrow. Oh, that's cartoony. That's interesting. Are they all like that? Are these upside down? Oh, they're just like all back and forth. Okay. Paul Krause. Prestige for the... Oh, that's printed. Career interceptions. That's cool. What we got? We got Tyson Hill. Any Given Sunday. Great movie. What do we got here? Alma Martyrs. Kyler, Baker, and Jalen. They all go to the same school? Oklahoma produces the quarterbacks no one else. Oh shit, they all came from the same school. That's interesting. Okay. Yo, look at this card. Look at this card. Let's put this down. Who's this? This is Chris Goodwin. This is a beautiful card. Okay, and we had another one coming up here. What's this one? Chubb, former dog with the Cleveland Browns. Being from Georgia, Chubb was like the running back for years down here. Let's get back to it. Those just look awesome with the Prism. Will McDonald the fourth. So these are a lot of. Again, they're doing the college rookie cards. Played for the Gators, plays for the Bears. Trey Tucker. I wonder if these are all gonna be no. Yeah, Cincinnati, Carolina, Josie Jewell. Okay, so we do have some pros in here. I got so wrapped up in the college cards. Richie Grant. Myles Garrett, okay. Jim Kelly, classic. This was the guy in the 90s. I'm getting him confused with somebody else. Who was the Buffalo Bills quarterback in the 90s? Okay, he was there on that game. All right, anyway. I thought it was Jim Kelly. Marshall Jr. Hopkins. These are nice looking cards. The way it's very Another Jalen Hurts. This guy got around last year on these cards. Kenny Pickett. Who's that? Hayward. No, you know some players, but not others. That's fine. Brown, AJ Brown. Wilson. Carson. Rogers. That's Aaron. It looks like it says Carson. It is Aaron. Okay, let's keep going. We see Lawrence again. Just trying to get these in the right order. Okay. Nate Hobbs. Is that Devontae Adams again? Yep. Neil Smith. Christian Okoye. Like the one from Black Panther. Rashawn Jenkins. Christian Kirk. These look nice. I like the whole artsy, almost calligraphic look to it. Okay, we'll save that to the bottom, whatever the hell that is. Well, shit. That's the same thing. That's all that is. All right. Shaquan Barkley on a youth movement. Nice little Prism-y rainbow card we got here. All right. Flip. Looking at Patrick Mahomes. Prestige Pros. Time-stamped. Scooting into the end zone and walking off with a win. Chandler Jones. Both of those are... Oh no. Never mind. Ignore me. Oh, we got some more of those Prism-y ones. Jalen Waddle. Looking at we got Deontay Banks. from Maryland playing for the Giants. Gold. It looks so... Wow, I took it off camera. I'm sorry, but it looks even better off camera. Evan Ingram. Okay, let's keep going here. Tank Bigsley. Davey Witherspoon, as opposed to Davey without her spoon. Paris Johnson. Clayton June. Grady Jarrell. Another Denzel Award. Odell Beckham Jr. We got Daryl Mooney. Okay. Buddha Baker. Vern Bell. Okay. Mark Andrews. Fletcher Cox. Quinton Williams. Is it C.J. Mooney? Oh, Mosley again. Yeah. So apparently we got a lot of Shaquan Barkley. Like this guy has been in like every pack we've opened. Daniel Jones. Putting some of these down. What else we got? We got Tyson Hill. Jordan. Is that Lay? His name is Lay? Is his name really Lay? Zay Jones. Okay. Josh Allen. Elgler. I'm never going to try and pronounce. Is his name Doctor? Oh, DeForest. I was going to say Dr. Forrest? Dude, your parents had high hopes for you. Jerry Hughes. And we end with that guy. So, we're not really looking for autographs. I just wanted something different. And these fill that. These are Chronicles. I think these have all been Panini. Ooh, that one feels, or looks rather old school, but it's not. Let's look at the Chronicles. Starting with Aaron Rodgers. Photogenic Aaron Rodgers. Doing the cha-cha slide. I don't know what the hell he's doing. J.J. Watts. Big J.J. Justin Herbert. Okay. Deshaun Watson. DK Metcalf. Tom freaking Brady. Let's go. Joe Burrow. This is like a shitload of quarterbacks in his pack. Joff. Nope. There's not a quarterback. There's Jacobs. Derek Sting. Oh, you know what? That feels like it's the canvas he won. So does this. We're going to have to look at the back of these, because that is not a regular card. We got Michael Pittman coming up. No. We got an acetate. I don't know who Malik Willis is, but we got a beautiful acetate. Rookie card. Look at that. I'll put that on top. We got two acetates. Breece Hall. Momentum card. Another rookie. Premier. And we're ending up with Dameon Pierce rookie. Legacy. That's why that was all shiny. So like I said, I want to look at some of the back of some of these, because some of those canvassy ones, I don't know if any of these are numbered. No. Okay, no. That's just a regular series card. No special numbering. Nope. Yeah. Nope, neither of those. But they look great. Chronicle cards, they just look good. I have a few WWE Chronicles. I put them in my little binder. Bam. Here we go. Josh Allen. Justin Jefferson. So try not to look behind. Malcolm Rodriguez. George Pickens. Whoops. Tyler Algier. I don't understand why they keep flipping these cards up and down. Drake London. Let's just do this. Desmond Ritter. Brock Purdy. Brian Robinson Jr. A Thibodeau. Again, that feels like it's canvas. So, but we know it's not. Kenneth Walker. A lot of rookie cards. I say a lot of rookie cards when we get a Tom Brady. We're going to put that to the back. We got a Sam Howell. On our acetates, we're looking at Bailey Zapp and John Mechie. Again, rookie cards for both. Not bad. Like I said, you know, I did a few baseball packs. I did a few wrestling packs. I did a few football packs. I don't follow basketball. I've been doing a few hockey, but that's more NFT. 6 packs, 4 cards. 4 cards? This should be a quick. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, yes. We got Drew, we got Bianca, we got Alexa, we got Ray Ray. Fine. Blasters, fine ice prisms. These are all from last year. I don't know if I've opened these before. I may have. When you just start doing this shit randomly, it all starts blending together. So, Panini Prisms WWE 2023. Looking like we got the new champ, Damian Priest. We got Candice LeRae on the Prism. They don't number the Prism? Dude, we got Emma. It's sad that they brought her back and they didn't do shit with her. Her and Matt Cat Moss. We got Mick Foley. If you saw the previous one, we did get the silver bar in the Immaculate with well, technically Dude Love, but that's cool. Candice LeRae, Mrs. Johnny Gargano. I'm playing her little villain heel turn this time around. Who knows what Indy's going to do. What we got? We got Big Drew. Strowman's back. We all saw that Monday. Katana Chance. I'm not a fan of Chance and Carter. I don't know what it is. I mean, they're great for the young girls and the fans, but oh god, didn't she just have a baby, Carmella, or they had a miscarriage? I forget. Can't wait till she comes back. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Mark Coffey. Yokozuna on the Prism. Bailey on the green. And Andre. So we got a green parallel for Bailey. Hug it out, Bailey. Up next, J.D. McDonough. Trying to get a good, there we go. Oh man, legendary. One of the originators of hardcore. Prismatic. Brock. It looks like it's a sticker, but it's not. And we look at Jagger Reed, who just left or got fired or whatever the hell happened to him. Prismatic. Not bad. Next. Looks like Brutus Creed. Yes, it does. Tony on a Prism. A top tier Charlotte Flair. Ooh. Baron. Now we're down there. That's when he was doing his money winning. That's not bad. I'm not a fan of Charlotte Flair. Hate me all you want, but I think she was given a lot of shit because of her name. As in given the titles, not shit as in per se. But Kevin Nash, Big Kev, a.k.a. Diesel, a.k.a. Super Shredder from Ninja Turtles 2. Gunther. We're going to save the green one. We're going to bring this one to the top. Who we got? Tommaso Ciampa. For the green, we're looking at Cody Rhodes. This was worth it. Number 1 for the series. So, there we have it. Let's pop this out real quick. And, okay. So, football, wrestling. Everybody loves Raymond. Oh, it's past 7 o'clock. It's 2.5 men. That's not bad. Gamestop had a sale. I think they were like buy one get one or buy two get one or some shit like that. I think it was buy two get one. Then the wrestling ones, what the hell. So, whoever watches this, I dare you to leave a comment. I fucking dare you. Let's interact. Let me know if you're following me so I can follow you. I want to stalk you. That's it. I really have nothing else that I know of coming in. I can't think of anything else I've ordered late right now. So that's it. Just end this, man. Until next time, y'all. Godspeed. All right.